Feliz Año Nuevo y bienvenidos a todos. Welcome back, people, and Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I hope your family's all right. And I hope everyone's healthy and going into the new year strong. I hope you set yourself some goals that you're going to stick to throughout the year. I know I have, and I'm determined to get them all this year. So in this video, I'm going to be recapping all the dividends I got paid in the month of December, which I'm glad to do because then I get to recap the whole year. And 2023, I'm looking to beat every single month. What I got paid in dividends last year, I'm looking to completely smash that this year. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Right, before we jump into this video, could I ask that you please hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Also hit the notification bell, it will inform you when I post new videos. But as always, gratitude is my only attitude. I'm glad you're here because you could have been on YouTube watching anything. You could have been watching a cat who's fed up of her owner's vanity. Stop! Or you could have been watching when showing off goes horribly wrong.
My God.
But either way, you're right here with me, so gratitude is the only attitude. Anyway, let's jump straight into these stocks. So first on the list is AGNC. I own 150 shares, and for those 150 shares, I got paid £12.48. Next is Prospect Capital. I own 5 shares, and for those, I got paid 21 pence. Next is Ares Capital. I own 2 shares, and for my 2 shares, I got paid 68 pence. But also, they paid me a bonus dividend of 4 pence. I know it's only 4 pence, but I'll take it. Gratitude. Next was BP. For my 12 shares, I got paid 59 pence. Next is Camping World Holdings. I own 2 shares, and for those, I got paid 88 pence. Capital Southwest. I own 2 shares, and for those, I got paid 73 pence. They also paid me a bonus dividend on my 2 shares, and for that, I got paid 7 pence. Next on the list is Coca-Cola. If you've been following this channel for some time, you will know that every time I buy a cup of coffee from Costa, who is owned by Coca-Cola, I buy 0.1 of a share, and it all adds up over time. And it's not just me who buys the coffee. I buy coffee, my girlfriend buys from there, even the dog. The dog's addicted to their frappuccinos. So, not frappuccinos, what do they call them? Dogachinos. No, puppuccinos. So every time we buy a coffee, we buy the dog one. So yeah. Anyway, I own 5.2 shares, and for my 5.2 shares, I got paid £1.60. Next is Devon Energy. For my 2 shares, I got paid £1.90. Followed by IBM. I still only own 2 shares. I really need to build that position. But for my 2 shares, I got paid £2.29. Imperial Brands, they're a tobacconist on the London Stock Exchange. I own 3 shares, and for those, I got paid £1.48. Next is Intel. I own 4 shares and I got paid £1.01. I got a random payment of 6 pence from Owl Rock Capital, which I'll have to look into because I actually got paid from them last month. So I'm assuming this is some kind of bonus dividend. It doesn't say bonus dividend, it actually just says a normal payment, but we'll take it anyway. Next is Shell. I own 17 shares, and for those, I got paid £3.50. Skyworks Solutions, that's another stock I really need to own more of. I own 1 share and I got paid 43 pence. Next is Starbolt Carriers. I own 5 shares, and for those, I got paid £4.89. The Renewable Infrastructure Group, TRIG, I own 10 shares, and for those, I got paid 17 pence. And finally, Unilever. I own 2.2 shares, and for those, I got 82 pence. Right, so all of those payments combined give me a grand total of £33.83. I'm quite happy with that. Passive income, haven't had to do anything for it, and it's actually my second biggest payment of the year. I'm hoping to smash that in 2023. But yeah, I'm very, very grateful for that. Right, so let's put that figure into the spreadsheet and see how I've done. So £33.83. Like I just said, that's my second biggest payment. My biggest payment, as you can see, was in September for £46.27, followed by December. I'm happy with that. That's pushed my total for the year up to £264.18. It's given me some good targets to aim for in 2023. I don't know if I'll double that, but maybe, quite maybe. But yeah, let's see where else on the chart. Let's perform. You can also see on the bottom left chart that Q4, I didn't do as good as Q3, but nearly. I got £93.76 in Q4. In Q3, I got £97.61. But if you look at Q1, you know, I started off with just £13.72, and you can see how it's grown. So, like I've said previous, dividend investing, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But you will be able to provide yourself some passive income for as long as you hold the shares, which for me is going to be well into retirement. God willing, I live that long. But yeah, that is the plan. Right, to celebrate this year of earning a decent change from passive income, I'm going to pour myself one of my favorite drinks. Don't know if you guys have heard of it. I'm a rum drinker myself. This is Havana Club Selección de Maestros. Very good version of the Havana Club brand, this one. So happy New Year to you all. Feliz Año Nuevo a todos. May 2023 be financially rewarding to all of us. They say we're going into a recession this year. At some point, it's just when. If that's the case, then we've got to take full advantage of this. We don't want to be at the receiving end of this recession. It's about being in good quality stocks, getting them for good prices, and just riding this wave and coming out the other side, knowing that you've got some great companies for cheap prices, which you may not see again unless we hit another one of these crazy events, you know, the war in Ukraine, we survived Rona. You know, if you bought stocks at their lows and you just hold them. Me, I'm into long-term holding. I'm not really into swing trading or growth stocks. Because what I don't like with growth stocks is you only make the money once you've sold it. And then once you've sold it, you've either got to wait for that same stock to drop again and buy back in or find another company. Me, I just like to buy and hold. So dividend investing is what's right for me. But it may not be right for you. And with that said, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. And not only am I not a financial advisor, I'm not your financial advisor. So do what's best for you and do your due diligence before buying any stocks. But before I sign off, a couple shout outs I'd like to do. Matthew, a big supporter of this channel. Trust me, love you, brother. Good luck with your new job. In the RAF, just stay safe, bro. Stay safe out there. But congratulations. I hope it provides you with, you know, more financial stability so you can put more money into the market, take care of your family and whatnot. So all the best to you this year, brother. And also to my friend Gavin at work. He finally took the plunge and downloaded Trading 212. To anyone who wants to do that, there's a referral somewhere down in the description. But he joined up, and I believe he got £50 worth of Lloyd's Bank shares. So that's very good. I got £10 worth of a Heineken share, fractional share. So what I might do is actually just buy the remainder and own a whole share and just let that sit there. But yeah, you know, for using a referral code, anyone who wants to use it, we both get a free share up to £100. Like I said, Gavin got £50 worth, I got £10 worth. I'm just glad he's on his financial journey, and all the best with that, bruv. And to everyone who's made financial resolutions this year to put more money in the market and whatever, good luck to you, all the best. Pay no mind to those people who just say New Year's Day is just another day, blah, blah, blah. Because you know what? There's some people that's passed last year who would have loved to have been here to make resolutions and change their lives. So, do you know what I mean? Whatever changes you want to make, you go ahead and do them. So yeah, signing out. See you next month. And yeah, good luck to us all.